Hi friends, now let me tell you about a very important part of marriage, and sometimes it occurs in many marriages, and that is nagging in marriage. It may be nagging done by the husband or the wife. Nagging means finding faults often in the other person and how to handle it. Many a marriage is in trouble because of nagging, which is finding fault with trivial things in the spouse. Many men and women are guilty of it. Persistent nagging can be a harassing experience that most people like to avoid or even walk out of it. Few realize that the tongue can sting sharper than a whip. Nagging can assume innumerable levels in many marriages. For the person who nags, it is just a relief from personal tension. For the person who is nagged, it is sheer hell. One fails to understand how to keep the spouse happy and satisfied and avoid the onslaught of unnecessary complaints. To explain the situation, Grieve said, everyone who see daily instances of people who complain from a mere habit of complaining and make their friends uneasy are strangers merry by murmuring at evils that do not exist and repining at grievances which they do not really feel. One cannot do much about the situation unless the person keeps finding fault, decides to stop doing it. The best situation is to listen with paid interest. Many people have learned the art of listening with assumed sincerity. They listen patiently, but have the receiving situation or the receiving station in the mind switched off. Means they just listen from one ear and throw it out from the other ear. Do not take nagging too seriously. Do not also let it cause anxiety and tension. It means nothing to the person who does it of a bad habit. What should you do, and why should you lose your sleep over it? But just remember, even if the person is nagging, just see if the person is really trying to express some grief what you are causing. If it is your problem, please try to change yourself and be good to the person who is nagging, and automatically the nagging will stop if it is your fault. And if the person is doing it out of habit, just ignore it. Friends, if you like my thinking about this topic, do like, comment, and tell me what you felt about it or what differently you feel about it. Share and subscribe. Take care and lots of love to you all. Bye.